So this is a pattern that I picked up at mprleatherworks.co.za. It's for a sort of a trucker wallet. So here we're punching the holes on a modified drill press in order to keep the noise down because we live on the 3rd floor. This is a punch for the snaps. Punch those little holes out. This is where the zipper gets cut out. And this is how we round the edges. Would anyone like coffee, tea, dessert? When you have all of your pieces punched, the next step is cutting them out. So you get your straight edge and you just try your best to not wiggle and all of that. And when I was cutting this, I just realized, oh man, there's no holes. There's no holes for the zipper. They didn't mark the holes for the zipper. So there's all the pockets. So this is what I had to do. I had to go ahead and use some double-sided tape. Put the zipper in, and then use some dots that I made so I can mark it evenly. And that's what happened. Got it sewn in, and I don't like it. I just do not like the way that looks. Internal pockets. A lot of places to put credit cards and loose cash. Internal pocket with the snaps. And you sew all of the pieces together. And then you sew pocket to the wallet. And you're finished. Really, 7.3 ounces. It came out okay, but I ended up tearing it apart again. I took the whole thing apart because guess what? This metal zipper didn't work. So I ended up using a nylon zipper that I happen to have. It's fine. Pretty sturdy. Overall the wallet is nice. I would probably do it over with much thinner leather. This is like a 6 to 7 ounce chrome tan leather. I think it would be better for a bigger project, like a bag, a backpack, maybe even a purse, but not something that small because it makes it very, very heavy. Overall, the pattern, I like the pattern. The inside, I would probably make also much thinner leather pieces. Do I recommend this pattern? Yeah, I do. Just be careful of that zipper and make sure that you figure out how to do your holes better than I did. Part of it is because the leather has that plasticky finish, so any hole that I made didn't look good. They were too close together too. So I give this pattern probably a 4.7 out of 5, which is pretty good. I mean, the mistakes that you see are mine, not the designer's. I'm just taking off a few points for the not marking the zipper holes. But other than that, I would definitely recommend this designer and this wallet. Just choose your leather better than I did so that you're not carrying around a New York strip steak in your back pocket.